Assalamu alaikum class. Today we'll discuss reading selection 2.1. I Have a Dream, written by Martin Luther King Jr. Basically class, it's a public speech in which Martin Luther delivered the important factors of Negro society. And this is a speech which he delivered that was on the stairs of Lincoln Memorial in Washington DC on August 28, 1963. He speaks about his dreams of seeing Alabama as a developed area free of racial distinction between white and black. Class, that was the time where black and white, there was racial distinction, differentiation between black and white. Discrimination between black and white, and white people did not like black people, and black people have no rights. They can't go to hotels, they can't admit in white people's schools, and they don't have opportunity to vote. So that is why Dr. Martin Luther delivered his speech for the civil rights of all black people. And this speech has great impact in raising public consciousness for civil rights movements, and Dr. King was considered to be the best among all orators. Okay, and let's move on to the first paragraph. 50 years ago, score means class 20, and 50 means 5 multiplied by 20, so it will be 100. So 100 years ago, and class, here Martin Luther used this term 50 years because this is the same term which has already been used by Abraham Lincoln, and when he made the rule or constitution about the rights of African American. So that is why Martin Luther used basically Abraham Lincoln's term, and that was 50 years ago or 100 years ago. A great American in whose symbolic shadow we stand signed the Emancipation Proclamation. Emancipation, Freedom Proclamation announcement. This momentous decree came as a great beacon light of hope to millions of Negro slaves who had been seared in the flames of withering injustice. It came as a joyous daybreak to end the long night of captivity. So class, in this paragraph, Martin Luther said that after 100 years, a great American, Abraham Lincoln, where they were standing at the Lincoln Memorial. So Abraham Lincoln signed the freedom announcement of Negroes. And this decree was signed, or you can say this treaty, this promise was signed and became a light of hope for lack of Negroes. And this freedom decree became a long hope for ending of slavery. But after 100 years, they are still not free. After come to the second paragraph, but after 100 years they are still not free. After 100 years, Negroes are crippled, they are paralyzed like slaves and discriminated. They are sadly paralyzed, and they are living in a poor land which is surrounded by prosperous states, and they are it seemed that they are exiled in their own land. So the purpose of standing here is to dramatize this horrifying situation. Okay class, in this paragraph Martin Luther was portraying a picture of their poverty or their discrimination, and he was saying that Negroes are not getting their rights which they have to use. They don't have any right. They are sadly crippled, they are sadly paralyzed. Okay,